Paradigm shift in localization, an introduction. Now and in the coming modules, we will be talking about the concept of localization and how localization can be used in computer technology. So, in these coming modules, we will be talking about the need for the use of local languages in computers or computer programming so that more and more people might be able to access it. We'll talk about the challenge of using local languages in the computer programming. We will also ask the question that should the effort be made when we already discussed that there is only a fraction of population that has access to computers, and those also might not have access to them in their homes but in some other public places. And we still have these marginalized females who might not still have access to computer technology. We'll talk about a paradigm shift. What is a paradigm shift? A paradigm is a way of looking at the world, making sense of it. It is about looking at things from a different perspective. So, what is the different type of worldview that we need to use to understand what we are saying and to strengthen the argument that we are making? We will talk about that. We will also talk about the concept of linguistic localization. What is linguistic localization? And then what is cultural localization? And what do we actually mean by it? And how would it help to sort of do the things that we want it to do in terms of enlarging the access to computer technology? And then what is the purpose of it all? How does it address issues of marginalization? And what will it do to the language itself? What impact will it might have on the social hierarchies that we talked about? And then what is the way forward? These are only recommendations, but we need to see what people are thinking about in terms of the use of local languages in something what we like information technology, which is to very much the main thing that is going on, and something that we cannot possibly ignore if any country has to follow the path of development.